Enjoy this 5-minute yoga pose sequence. Start by positioning the body in table pose on all fours. Round the back as you exhale, scared cat. Arch as you inhale. Then go into down dog, lifting the hips. Hold and breathe. Go gentle and skip any poses that don't feel comfortable. Stay in down dog or shift the body to plank pose for core and arm strength. For an optional arm balance, roll to the outer edge of one foot, stretching the arms like a T shape, called hero pose. Switch sides. Hold one breath or a few breaths on each side if you're able. For a more gentle version, you can keep the bottom knee on the ground, having the arms like a T shape. Hold and breathe, and switch sides. You can repeat this 2 times on each side or hold several breaths each side. With practice, you'll be able to balance and strengthen more as you go along. If you need some support but want a little more challenge than the knee on the ground, you can go into side plank or hero pose and take the top leg over the bottom leg with the foot on the ground, as I'm showing here. You have several options. Modify as you need. When you're done, rest in child's pose, sitting back on the heels, stretching the arms forward. This pose is great to open the low back. You can stay there or continue on the pigeon pose for a hip opener, bringing one knee between the hands. Switch sides after a few slow deep breaths, or hold longer as you're comfortable. This video can be like a demonstration so that you can get ideas and do the practice at your own pace. After pigeon, sit on the heels in what's called rock pose or diamond pose. Close the eyes and observe the body after the postures. These were just a few postures to give you ideas how you can stretch, strengthen, and open the body, even with a 5 or 10 minute yoga break. When you're done, lay on your back in corpse pose, called Shavasana in Sanskrit. Have the legs 2 feet apart and the hands about a foot from the hips, with the back of the hands on the ground, facing skyward. Close your eyes and let your body relax into the earth. Enjoy the sound of the Caribbean, Bahamas ocean waves as you also observe the wave of the breath. Let the mind and body relax. Start to deepen the breath. Prepare to move the body to gently come out of corpse pose. You can always stay longer if you like. To come out, roll to the side and slowly make your way up to a comfortable cross-legged seat called the easy pose, Sukhasana. Close your eyes and take a moment to sit tall, centering the head over the spine. Feel the effects and benefits of the yoga postures followed by relaxation. Conscious relaxation is a wonderful yoga practice to let go with awareness. You can stay here and meditate, observing the breath, or try one breathing exercise, alternate nostril breath. Bring your right hand up to the nose, make a fist, extend the ring finger and pinky and thumb. Close your right nostril with the right thumb, exhale and inhale left nostril. And switch. Exhale and inhale the opposite nostril. Switch using your ring finger and thumb to close the nostrils. It's a slow exhale and inhale through one nostril, and then you switch sides. Go at your own pace, focusing at the brow point, an imaginary point between eyebrows with the eyes closed. This helps you calm the mind and focus, which can prepare you for meditation, or by itself is a great exercise. You can stay here and repeat that longer, or remain with eyes closed in meditation, observing breath. Yoga is so wonderful. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day is so useful. I hope you enjoy these ideas for the short practice. For longer videos and 30 to 60-minute classes, you can go to sunlightyoga.com. I've got over 10 courses from meditation to chair yoga to yoga, self-paced, and classes. sunlightyoga.com. Have a great day. Namaste.